Hello everyone. Website SMS OTP verification module will allow user to get an OTP and verify via SMS. Now in this we need to complete some configuration, so let's get into the website. Under the configuration you can see an OTP authentications. So here in this we need to enable these two options and sign in authentication and sign up authentication from the module website authentication, which is dependent with this module. And here you can see an SMS authentication, and here I added an email ID, and here in this I added a limit. Okay, and in this we need to give the type. So once in a configuration done, now let's get into an login page. So where I don't have any account, so I just create an account by using this. So in this you need to add an email ID, mobile number, name and passwords. So from here, once you fill all the informations, you can see and so here once you fill all the informations, you can see and send SMS OTP. Now let's send an OTP. And here you can see a message like it will be send an OTP to the number which we have added, and here you can see the expiries seconds will be running. And from your and in your SMS you can see an SMS message will be like this. Now in this page we need to add an OTP we got, and let's sign up. So once you have signed up, it will be redirect us to the page of website. Like the same way, you can also sign in. So for sign in, we need to sign in here, and we need to give an mobile number. So once you have filled this mobile number, you can just click on the next option, and here you can see an option to send an SMS OTP. Now let's click on the next, where you can see an option to enter the OTP. Now here in this page you can see an option so here you can see the seconds will be running. So here in this you can see a seconds will be running to enter an OTP. Now here in this I am adding the OTP, and let's click on the login to get into the page. So here you can see and login of the user. We are in the login of the user which we have signed in. So in this way we can make use of this module to send an SMS OTP verification to the users. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.